Hi y'all, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're learning how to make the long double crochet. To get started, we'll begin with a chain. I'm using a worsted weight yarn and a 4mm hook. You can use any size yarn and matching hook to make this. Start with that slip knot, and then I'm going to make about 16 chains. To get started, I'm going to flip my chain over and work into the back bump. I'm going to skip the first 3 chains and work into the 4th. Yarn over, insert my hook into that back bump, yarn over again, pull that loop through. Now here's the long part. We just pull that up, pull those 2 loops on the hook up as tall as you want. Here we're a little confined by the chains we skipped. So if you want a really tall one, skip more. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's one long double crochet. Now I'll slow it down for you. Yarn over and insert your hook. Yarn over and pull up a long loop, pulling it up tall. Yarn over, pull through 2 times. And we just keep repeating that across. You'll want to work on keeping your tension about the same. So have an idea of how tall you want to pull them and try to pull all of them in a row, unless your pattern tells you otherwise. Okay, I'll finish this row quickly and then we'll turn and start a row 2. Okay, we're going to turn and we'll start with a chain of 4 for our first stitch to start the row for row 2, and each row after this. You can do more if you want a really tall, long double crochet. Yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull that loop up and pull it up long. And see here on the second row, I can go even taller easily. Yarn over, pull through 2 times. I think most patterns you will break these up with different stitches in between. At least in my pattern, that's what I've done there because it's a very loose stitch, right? And you can see between row 1 and row 2, the size is quite different, which normally I would keep consistent, but I just want to show you how tall you really can get them. Okay, and that's just how you work it across the row, repeating that, trying to keep them all the same height in the same row. Okay, I'll link up all the details in the description for the written tutorial plus the October shawl that I used this stitch in. Please let me know if you have any questions about this stitch in the comments. Thanks.